Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Designing an Investment Tracking App for CRED. This is going to be our 15th episode, and in this episode, we will set up the design system or style guide for our next prototyping sessions. So here we will set up the typography, we will set up the color palettes, and we will also do some iconography, like we will set up the style for our icons, buttons, etc., etc. And I use different types of plugins to set this up. I will not do it manually everything, and we will see what are the things that are available in Figma community. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Let me just share my screen and we will start with the So I have come here to the Figma community. So if you come here, like templates and tools, this is the Figma community. So I found a very good repository of all the tools for or all the components for CRED. So I will just type out the neopop. So always try to search in the community or in YouTube if there are any additional resources that are available before you start creating any kind of thing. So this is by Assis, a great shout out for creating this amazing toolkit. Okay, so if I click on it, yeah. So if I come down, so he has all these components and color typography are already in place. Although we will not be using all these components because we are going to do it in a white background, and also these are some of the for different use case or different like design language. So we will not be using these iconography, but what we can do here is we can use some of these icons here, like the back button and everything. We can make use of it. All these things are not that much relevant. What is relevant for us is the these colors. So another point that will come here is these are the pop black colors and white colors. I think this guy has already only made for the black color background. So we will see. Then there is this typography. So CRED uses Circa as the title font and Gilroy as the labels or paragraph font. So we will take this and create this in our font palette. Let's copy this first. In our, I have created this as style guide. Let's paste it here, and I have also installed these fonts. You can get it free from DAW fonts and other like other websites. Always check the copyright documents, like how you can use it or not, before you use it for any commercial purpose. So this is going to be educational purpose, so I am available to I can download and install it and use it. So okay, so let's start with I'm going to use another plugin here as type scale. So what it does is, instead of manually creating all this tool will set up all the style guide for you in a very what do you call like organized way. So let's take this as this font, Gilroy. Okay, let's take this as Gilroy. We already have the Gilroy font. Gilroy, yeah. So Gilroy new is what I'm gonna take. Oh, this takes it. Okay, so for the scaling perspective, I would take the golden ratio. Yeah. Then for the line height, I want to take the 1.5. For scaling, 80 pixel it is giving, but I don't need that much. Gilroy is going to be our would say the body copy. So we don't need 47 pixels, we will never need that, so I will remove it. Instead, what I can do here is I can give it as 3 and move it as also 3. 7 pixel is also is not something that I would look for. I think 2 is fine. Yeah, this big will be enough. Base size is 14, sorry, 16. I also need something for 14 as well. Let's scale this up. Measure third, measure second. No, not this one. Not this one. Measure third. Probably. Okay, let's take this for now. Then we will do some changes later on. Okay, so nicely it has given me this as Gilroy, this. So also it has provided me all those sizes like in REM and also in pixels. Now coming to when we will now this provided you all this set of things. What else we are going to do here is I'm gonna add another one which is 14 pixel. Let's take it as 14 pixel. It may be a lesser, I will remove it for now. Gilroy 14. Okay, this is another extra that I have added from my side. Actually, I don't like this. 21. Okay, this is, let's take it for now. What we are gonna do here is we will name it as, okay, there is one more thing that is already there. Let me just disable it in our library. This is Apple's free UI kit that I have already installed in my Figma library. Let me just uninstall it or remove it for now. Yeah, so we have this plane, there is nothing like, so we will click on plus. So this is going to be our body copy. Okay, so no body copy will be that big for sure. Body copy. Okay, before that I also want to create a style guide for our title font. Let's use this. Okay, first let's create a typeface. This is my title header tags. Okay, and we will use this circa. Okay, so run this one again, then use maybe this. Oh my god, this is too big. The base size is 16. Okay, so what we have here is 16, 13, 14. All right, and let's take this as this. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Let's generate a tag here, and I will add another tag. I use 14 pixel more often, that's why I am adding this one. Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, let's start from the beginning. This is our header copy. Let's add it as h1 tag. Is this going to be our h1 tag? Let's start from this pig is not required, so we don't need it. This pig is also not required. Let's not have it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is going to be this 6, Yeah, let's keep it 336. Let's delete it. 336. Yeah, this is perfect. Let's remove unnecessary ones. Let's give it as h1. Just only keep it as h1. Any other thing, circa 36, this, that. This is all fine. 100%. This is also fine. Now if I come here, write something, correct? Now we have the h1 tag as it is. Okay, so now come to this as h2. I'm just simply giving it h1, h2, no other sub name or sub labels. We will change it in case of anything we will need later. h3, h4, h5. So if required, I will do a complete session on for only for design system. For our use case, I just want to get a little bit of setup ready so that we will not have to copy paste again and again. We will have a consistent layout or consistent usage of fonts. So this is going to be our H6. Very basic, very fast. Just set it up like we are going to use it normally. And for Gilroy, this is also I don't think we will never need, so I will remove it. So for Gilroy, this one we can take it as for 21. Let's keep it as header. Maybe sometimes we may use it. So keep it as body copy large, body copy large. Okay, let's see how it is generating. Yeah, body copy large. Then this is body copy medium, body copy medium. And always copy this so that you have consistent labeling and you don't have to repeat it again and again. Now if you notice here, this is coming as body copy as this. We could have done this one as well with the same type, but that doesn't need currently, so we will just put as body copy medium, small, then body copy extra small. If required, this is also something that we may need. Let's use this as 10. 9 will be too less, I believe, so let's take it as 10. And let's keep it as extra large, extra large, and give it as large, then medium, then small, then let's make it as extra small. Body copy extra small. Okay, so if I come here, if I type anything, come to the prototype. If I type something, let's test it here. Hey Simant Sekhar, hey Simant Sekhar, here is your total portfolio. Okay, now make this as center aligned and make this as H4, maybe 21 we will keep. Yeah, now this looks completely like our, so this is our grade 1. Let's see, this is fine. Maybe they used, let me check. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea to make changes. Always test your fields earlier so that you can test all your uh, actual usage. Okay, so come to what is our exact one is the bold, or maybe medium we can take. Yeah, medium sounds looks good to me. Let's remove the size and compare it. Like I said earlier, we are going to use it as close to as how CRED would do it. Okay, so maybe 27 or 24. Let's see. Yeah, they have used 24, so all our style guides are nonsense. So this is why I typically don't use this kind of tool. I go manually. So 12, 14, 16 till here it is fine. Here I would S3 I would take it as 20. Okay, I will take it as 20, make it as medium, maybe bold. You can always make changes if you're not satisfied with your tool. Let's come to this place here, H1 tag, make all this, select all this. Okay, let's remove it now, make it maybe medium. Medium, medium. We may again have to do it medium, then medium. Okay, so here if I come here, this is going to be 20 pixel. Let's give it something as 20 pixel medium. This is going to be 24, 24 medium. This is fine. Then this is going to be 32 and medium. Okay, so for this it's good idea to delete it, to be honest. Delete it, delete it, delete. Okay, now coming to this one here again, I will use this as header h1. Okay, now come to our style guide here. If I come here, now we have header h1 as the first one. Then this is our header h2. So header slash h2. Let's copy this label, then put it like this. Yeah, perfect. So this is going to be our final one, h3. H4, H5, H6, and here we are going to make it, because this is 20 pixel, we are going to use it as 20, then this as 24, then this now becomes a 8 pixel grid framework. So this is what I also use it in our like in my real world applications. So same goes for here as well. We will change it, body copy this, let's make it as 20. Yeah, this is as 20. So both title copy and body copy is now done. So regular, medium, we have only taken a regular here, and for this one we have only taken the medium. We may need the regular as well. Should we need? We will see. So for now this is all fine. Now coming to our color ones, let's go to the color palette here. Now copy all this, come to the style guide. Okay, let's now use the colors. Let's name it our base colors. Base colors. Pop black. Okay. Base colors pop black. Pop black 100 is what our first color is. Base color pop black 100. Or maybe we can use it or name it as edit style, probably. Delete style. Maybe we can name this as base color pop, or keep it as, yeah, this is a good idea to name it as base color pop black. I don't know why I'm deleting it, but this is all fine maybe. Okay, let's create this 100, then again come make it like this. Base color pop black, what is this, 200. Create a style. Okay, so come again, create this, copy paste and make it as 300. Similarly, let's duplicate the same task, pop it, and you can use variables, or I can also make some tutorials on the variables, how to use it and all. So currently we just want to create some basic style guide so that we can use it or directly go to our prototype design. The white, I don't need it right now, so I will leave it. The accent colors and all these are for black background, so let me use it, let me take it, then we will check later. Okay, just for reference we will take it as it is. Okay, so let's this as poly purple. Okay, poly purple. Whatever he has named, I will just name it 100. Let's copy it, put it like this, make it, copy paste 200, then paste it 300, so the idea behind doing this is whenever we will create these type of when we will use the colors, all the colors will be in our style guide and we don't have to come here and check for hex codes and everything. We don't need that, so we will have everything consistent and in one place. So this is 600, 700, then 800. Maybe we don't need that much, so I will go till 600 for the next one. Orange sunshine, I will go for the orange sunshine slash 100. 200, then 300, 400, okay, so till 600 we can go. If we need later, we can come back later again. Okay, so till 600 is, I think, is fine. Ping pong. Okay. Okay. Ping pong 100. Then 200. Okay, semantic colors 200. Okay, let's add a couple of more. 300. 400. Probably there will be one plugin that can do this easier and faster. I don't know, and I haven't used it yet. Maybe I will have to look for. I think there should be any other tool to do this type of work faster and easier. But there are other tools which provides a generic color palette, but I want CRED specific, this guy has worked on like this one to make neopop color palette, so I don't want to go outside to look for any other color palette, so I have to do it manually. To 700, that's it. Then mana is something yellow. Okay, let's give it as mana 100. Similarly, we have to create these for all the colors. And then 400, So those of you, if you have any queries or anything, please do let me know in the comment section, or you can directly reach out to me in LinkedIn. Okay, this was for, yeah, like I said, this is 5. Then this is 6. Okay, now coming to these two are also looking good. New color, new pacha. Okay, 100, copy it, put it here. 200, 300, 400, and 500. Then one for this purple. What is it? Yo-yo purple. Is this the near name, or this guy has named it from his own side? But anyway, I want to say big thank you for creating this repository. Otherwise, it would be a hell of a research time gone only to get all this data. Okay, we have poly purple is one. Then we have, oh, this is lavender, yeah. Okay, I have already named it at purple, but this is actually lavender. If I name it, change the name now, then it will create another profile, which I don't want. Let's keep it as it is now. 500, then 600. Okay, now park green. Green 100. Okay, 200, 300, 400, 500, then 600. Okay, so till here it is all done. Now we have to use the error colors. Error colors are like this. Okay, use, let's take it as it is. Error 100. Okay, error 200. This is orange. I don't know if we can use it. We will change if required, or we feel like we need to change. We will do it. 300, 400, then 500. Now this is warning 100, 200. Okay, this is a hell of a task. 300. 400. Then 500. Okay, so for info we have this color, info slash 100, info slash 200, info slash 300, 400. And those of you, if you are you can skip it to a little bit further. It's just manual work. I don't think you should watch it. You can skip a little away. And don't worry, I will create a shorter version of this. Once the entire series is done, I will create a very short version or very fast version where I will only provide you the demos or case study. Success 200. Is it the name? Success, correct? Okay. Now coming to our this page as 300, 400, then 500. So this is all about our style guides. If I come here, if I come to the prototype and if I type here now, if I come here, I can take the header as this H2. Then we have our nice little uh, title copy on the top. Do you think this has to be bold? Yeah, this has to be bold. We will see later. Now coming to our what we have a component set as well. Let's come to this place. Let's take few of the components. We don't need all the components. We need the arrow. We need the nav arrow. We need the arrow button. Let's take all the arrow buttons for now. Let's paste it here. Then we have the buttons. Do we need this button? We need this button. Actually, we need this button. Yeah, we need this button. So let's copy the entire button panel here, which has all this. Let's delete all this. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have this. Then we have CRED logo is not required right now. This is what we will need. This search bar is also one I think is required. Common UI element search is what we are going to take. That's the component here. Let's expand it a little bit. Okay. Let's have the same background. Okay, so we have the search bar as it is. Then what else do we need? Bottom seat empty. This is drag pill. This is not required. If required, we will bring in later. This is also not required. These cards also not required. This is not required, not required. As of now, all these are not required. Active predict win button. This is also not required. This is also not required, not required. These are all CRED stores elements, so we don't need it in our use case. This we can use for some extent. Okay, let's tick credit card statement. Maybe we can use it for something, but we have to change the colors. We are going to design in the white background. So yeah, okay, this is all not required, not required. Okay, this is what something is useful. This is useful. Let's take this. We may also use this. So let's take this as well. Then we need these as well. So let's take these. CRED coin. This is not required. Maybe this is something useful. Let's copy paste it here. Then this transaction page, profile settings, bottom seat, profile settings, bottom seat cell. Let's take this one. Let's keep it here. Then we have, okay. This is what is very important. So this is also we will take. And we will modify it. It's not like we are going to use it as it is. We are going to modify all these things. Let's take these as well. Okay, this is all good, all good, all good, all good. Okay. Now some other elements. I think this is good enough. So let's get started. One more thing, the grid 30 and 15 pixel. So as Figma has already created their own grid now, then we can also make it as own grid like this. Don't put it here as 8 pixel. Let's say 8. Am I doing it right? 8. Okay. Okay, maybe I have to do some tutorials on the new grid. So I will leave it for now. It's not required as of now. Let's make it as components, all these things that we just created, right? Let's make it as our component set. Okay. So this is going to be nav bar. Let's see if all the assets are coming. Okay, if you see, all the assets are coming really nice here. Let's use it. All these are components, so I don't have to create it separately. So all these are set up now. So in the next step, we will design this page, right? This wireframe that we created, we will design all these pages here. And I have also created some, taken some screenshot from the previous one, and we will take it as a reference to design our UI. And sorry, one more thing I have forgot is the icons. I have already created some icons, downloaded some icons from FreePic. So I will paste it here. Yeah. So all these icons are now ready. We will use these for our use case. 336. Okay. All right. So this is it for this video. So in the next episode, we are going to design the dashboard page or the portfolio page. We will take reference from all these screenshots or this UI, and then we will design our UI. Okay. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And uh, yeah, so see you in the next episode. We will design the prototype in the next one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.